To install your flak jacket windshield protector, you only have 4 options for installation. First option is a short insert. Second option is a long insert. And the way they work is this insert goes into the channel on your frame, and then your stud screws into the insert. Same with the long insert. This folds in half, goes in the frame, and you put your stud in there, your button stud. If you don't have a channel, and we'll get to that, if you don't have a channel going around your windshield that'll accept these inserts, we'll send you clips. If you get clips, there's only 2 options, 3/4 inch and 7/8 inch. One of those 2 will snap on your frame, and then you can attach your windshield protector to it. We'll get over to the boat and I'll explain on the windshield what it looks like. So if you look at your windshield on your boat, if you have a channel like this going around and it's deep enough and wide enough, you can either use your long inserts like we talked about and put your stud in there. If it's a real shallow channel, we'll send you short inserts that will go in there, like these. So one of those 2 will go in that channel. If there is no channel going around the bottom of your windshield or the top of your windshield, then you use clips, and those clips will snap onto this frame. And a lot of times you have a rubber seal like this going around your frame. You can pull that out, snap onto your frame, and then put the rubber seal back in. It's real easy to do. If you have any other questions, you can call us, 701-333-8863. The last thing I want to say is the vertical ends of your windshield, we do not install buttons on there, because if your windshield has spread and you go to install it, the button here will be out of position. That's why we send extra buttons for you to install them once you receive your windshield protector and get it installed and get it all centered. So that's what the extra button's for, is the vertical position on your windshield protector.